Are you trying to sell services to local businesses, but you're not sure what to sell and where to start? Are you an experienced consultant who wants to deliver more value to your clients? Hi, I'm Don, and I'm going to share with you the simple secret of how, today, you can build a highly profitable website agency without having to know anything about web design. Stay here for the next 2 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how it's possible and how I can help you get high-paying clients fast. When it comes to online marketing, each industry requires specific strategies and marketing channels. But do you know what do they all need in common? A website. Yes, every business needs a website, but not just any website. A beautiful, functional website is strictly required these days to be a business's reception area, public relations face, and salesperson on the internet. If you do a simple research, you'll realize a sad truth that most of the local businesses don't have a good-looking website. Even those who are paying for ads are using poorly designed pages to drive their valuable traffic to. The most popular reason is that hiring a web agency may cost them from $5,000 to $20,000. It's really a huge opportunity for smart marketers, and I'm here to make it possible for you. Let me introduce you to my latest product, Web Agency Box. Web Agency Box is a done-for-you web agency system that includes everything you need to start a web design business today. Inside the package, you'll get a beautiful, functional agency website with ready-to-use content, a high-converting prospecting video, my prospecting email templates, professionally written articles for your website, plus 6 local business websites in 6 hot niches for you to sell again and again. Within a few steps, you'll be able to set up an agency and start finding clients right away. And once you sell a website to a business, you'll have a great chance to offer other marketing services to them. In a limited time, you can get a copy of Web Agency Box for a fraction of the cost to create any of its components. So scroll down this page, see the exact demos, hit the buy button, and start your web design business today.